Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply create your GitHub account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, instead of going to your app, what you will do is simply just go to your phone browser, simply search github.com, go, and this particular interface will pop up. Then you will see this option called sign up, tap on it, and here you will simply type in your email address, tap on this continue option over here. You will simply create a strong password. When adding your password, you will simply tap on this continue option right there, and then you will have to enter your username. You have to enter an available username. If you make sure you just try all of the available usernames, and once you get this continue, simply tap on continue over here. Then you, so I would not, then I will simply tap N for now there, and simply tap on continue option. So I have to verify my account. So you can simply solve these puzzles to verify that you are humans. As you can see, I'm done verifying my account. Tap on create account option there. So you can see I have got this code in my email address. Simply go to your inbox. As you can see, I have an email from GitHub. Simply tap on it, and you can simply tap on this URL given below, and you copy this code, go back to this browser, simply add in the code that you just got. As you can see, welcome to GitHub. You will simply get directed to this page. Here you can see face, then you can simply just choose just me and tap on continue, and the tools you need to build, what you want, etc, etc. And then you can see why you're using this app. I'm going to tap on continue, and ta-da, you will simply see over here I have created my account successfully. Simply tap on this horizontal line, and then you will see your account name on top of sign out option, and that there you go. And yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.